Welcome to City Tour Vlogs. Islington is an inner-city area of North London, England, within the wider London Borough of Islington. It is a mainly residential district of inner London, extending from Islington's High Street to Highbury Fields, encompassing the area around the busy High Street, Upper Street, Essex Road, formerly Lower Street, and Southgate Road to the east. Etymology. The manor of Islington was named by the Saxons Gisildone, 1005, then Gislandune, 1062. The name means Gslas hill, from the Old English personal name Gsla and dun, hill, down. The name later mutated to Aldon, which remained in use well into the 17th century when the modern form arose. 2. 3. The manor, which was served by the ancient parish of Islington, later subdivided, with new estates such as New Eaton Bureau, Berners-Bury, Haybury and Canonsbury, names first recorded in the 13th and 14th centuries, coexisting with the rump of the manor of Islington. The ancient parish of Islington continued to serve the rump manor of Islington and also the various manors that had broken away from it.